Here's how to uninstall ESET Antivirus from a Windows 11 PC using the standard Windows uninstaller, and if that fails, remove it completely with the official ESET Uninstaller tool in safe mode in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to completely remove ESET using the official method recommended by ESET. First, open Settings, select Apps, then choose Installed Apps. You'll see a searchable list of programs installed on your computer. Find your ESET product, click the three-dot menu, and select Uninstall. The ESET Setup wizard will open where you can remove the program, and if offered, choose whether to export your settings before continuing. Complete the wizard and restart your computer if Windows asks you to. Next, check whether ESET has been removed successfully. If it is gone, you're finished. If the uninstall fails or ESET still appears after restarting, use the official ESET uninstaller instead. Download it directly from the ESET support website, then save the ESET uninstaller.exe file to an easy-to-find location. Then restart your computer into safe mode. Once Windows loads in safe mode, right-click ESET uninstaller.exe and choose Run as administrator. You'll see a command prompt window with a warning explaining that the tool will remove ESET from your computer. After that, type Y to continue. The tool will display the detected ESET products. Type the number that matches your installed ESET product, then press Enter. Type Y again to confirm the removal. You'll see the uninstall progress followed by a message confirming that the process has finished. Now restart Windows normally. If everything worked correctly, Windows will boot without ESET installed, and the uninstaller will also create a log file for reference. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Run the official ESET uninstaller again to verify no ESET products remain. If instructed, launch it using the required command line switch, such as /reinst, then start Windows again. If ESET still cannot be removed, contact ESET support for product-specific assistance. If the uninstaller refuses to run, make sure you're actually in safe mode, since the tool is designed to work there. Once everything is set, Windows will start without ESET installed, allowing you to reinstall ESET or switch to another antivirus, while Windows Security typically resumes protection if no other antivirus is installed. Following these simple steps makes uninstalling ESET Antivirus quick and easy.